Yo, what's up guys? Today I got a package from Amazon Japan and I actually opened it and I know what's inside. And it's Girls' Generation's latest single, Catch Me If You Can. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, I think. And it's finally here and it's the limited edition. So yeah, let's get started. I actually saw the other's unboxing video and I thought it might be a mistake to buy it because it's not that cool. Like with 8 members, it's already not cool. So yeah, but we'll take a look. And I don't have my sticker here. I mean the how do you call that? The one with member's name on it. And it's packed in a pack, and there's another pack here. So it's endless packages. So here we have the black. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see that it's Girls' Generation. Catch Me If You Can, Girls' Generation, and some other stuff. CD with 3 tracks and a DVD. And behind it's a tape. Yeah. I saw Dylan broke it, so I'm gonna be extra careful with this tape. Hopefully I won't break it. Oh, it's already kind of broken. Oh, God. This is hard. This is really, really hard. How can someone not break it? This is insane. Yeah. I broke one side, but I managed to open from the other side. Yay! So it's cool. It's all cool. And let us drag the album out. And here we go. It's completely black and Catch Me If You Can. Oh, you can see Tiffany from there. And there's nothing else in this bubble wrap. So let's get started. And there's the photo book, the CD itself, and the DVD, which has completely nothing on it, I think, other than disc here, this tiny thing here. And some words surrounding. It's basically completely stupid. Yeah, in my opinion. I mean, you could at least put a photo on the cover or the album, right? But yeah, SM just didn't put anything on it. Yep. So these are the girls. And Yuna, Sunny and Tiffany, my biases, and lyrics, and where are they? That's Sunny, Yuri, and Suyo, and Seo-yeon and Hyo-yeon. Oops. And Tenny and Yuna, and Seo-yeon and Tae-yeon and Hyo-yeon. We have here Soo-young and Yuri, yeah, and more credits and stuff, and it's the end. So it's basically just a simple package with simple stuff, and there's Catch Me If You Can here, if you can see that. Not sure if you can see that. Here. Yep, I think you can see it. Okay, so this is basically this simple unboxing. So, see you next time. Bye.